In 1977, as the world stood on the threshold of the digital age, a time when computers filled entire rooms and space exploration was still in its infancy, humanity dared to dream bigger than ever before. That year, we launched our boldest mission yet, Voyager 1, a spacecraft designed to journey farther than any human-made object had ever gone. On September 5th, from the historic launch pads of Cape Canaveral, Voyager 1 soared into the sky. Its mission was not just to visit the outer planets, but to push the very boundaries of what was possible, to test the limits of human ingenuity and curiosity. The timing was extraordinary. A rare planetary alignment, occurring only once every 176 years, allowed Voyager to use the gravity of Jupiter and Saturn as cosmic slingshots. This grand tour would let the spacecraft leap from one giant world to the next, gathering speed and momentum with each encounter, and opening a gateway to the outer solar system. Originally designed for a 5-year mission, Voyager 1 would go on to defy all expectations. It became our eyes and ears in the distant reaches of the solar system, sending back images and data that would transform our understanding of the cosmos. Outfitted with sophisticated cameras and scientific instruments, Voyager 1 set out to reveal the secrets of worlds we had only glimpsed through telescopes: Jupiter's swirling storms, Saturn's majestic rings, and the mysterious moons that orbit these giants. But Voyager 1 was more than just a machine. It was humanity's emissary, carrying a golden record filled with the sounds and music of Earth, a message to any who might one day find it, and a symbol of our collective hope and curiosity. As it sped away from our planet, Voyager became a tiny spark of human ingenuity, a lone traveler venturing into the unknown, dwarfed by the immensity of space but undaunted in its quest. This was the moment when humanity truly began to explore the cosmos, not just with our eyes, but with our imagination and our technology, reaching out across the void. Voyager 1's journey would ultimately redefine our place in the universe, crossing into interstellar space and carrying our story farther than we ever dreamed possible. The story of Voyager 1 is the story of our relentless drive to explore, to seek answers, and to leave a mark on the universe that says, "We were here, and we dared to reach for the stars." Voyager 1's first stop was Jupiter, the king of planets. As the spacecraft approached, it was dwarfed by Jupiter's immense size, a world so massive it could swallow more than 1,000 Earths. The anticipation among scientists back on Earth was electric. Never before had humanity come so close to this gas giant. In 1979, Voyager arrived and revealed Jupiter's Great Red Spot as a raging, dynamic storm, larger than our entire planet and centuries old. The swirling clouds and churning winds were captured in unprecedented detail, showing a living, breathing system of storms and tempests. Its atmosphere was a masterpiece of cosmic chaos, with bands of clouds racing at different speeds and colors, painting a portrait of turbulence and beauty that had never been seen so clearly before. Voyager's cameras transformed Jupiter's moons from distant dots into complex worlds: Ganymede's grooved ice, Callisto's battered surface, and the realization that these moons were not just lifeless rocks, but places with histories written in ice and stone. Europa's mysterious cracked shell hinted at a hidden ocean beneath, sparking dreams of alien seas and the possibility of life far from the warmth of the sun. Then came Saturn, where Voyager 1 unveiled the planet's rings as thousands of shimmering ringlets, each one a delicate strand of ice and rock, circling the planet in a breathtaking display. These rings were sculpted by tiny moons in a gravitational dance, their orbits shaping and shepherding the rings into intricate patterns. The spacecraft discovered intricate structures, braids, kinks, and mysterious spokes within the rings, hinting at complex interactions and forces at play that scientists are still working to understand. Voyager's instruments pierced Titan's orange haze, revealing a thick nitrogen atmosphere, denser than Earth's, and shrouding the surface in mystery. This discovery made Titan a prime candidate for the building blocks of life, a world where organic chemistry might be unfolding in the cold, alien dark. With its grand tour complete, Voyager 1 had transformed our understanding of the outer solar system, turning distant points of light into vibrant, dynamic worlds. But its journey into the unknown was just beginning. Voyager was now venturing beyond the familiar into the vast, uncharted territory of deep space. The discoveries at Jupiter and Saturn set the stage for decades of exploration, inspiring new missions and new questions about our place in the cosmos. Voyager 1's odyssey had only just begun, carrying humanity's curiosity and hope into the endless night beyond our solar system. Voyager 1's most stunning discovery at Jupiter was Io's erupting volcanoes, the first seen beyond Earth. This revealed the immense power of tidal forces, reshaping our understanding of geological activity. Voyager also found a faint ring around Jupiter, showing that planetary rings are more common than once thought. At Saturn, Voyager's close-ups revealed shepherd moons sculpting the rings, a delicate gravitational ballet. Images of Europa's cracked ice hinted at a hidden ocean, making it a top target in the search for life. Data from Saturn's Enceladus suggested similar possibilities. Voyager measured Jupiter's ancient storms and Saturn's fierce winds, revealing dynamic, ever-changing atmospheres. Each discovery turned distant planets into real, tangible worlds. The Grand Tour forever changed our cosmic perspective. In 1990, Voyager 1 looked back from nearly 4 billion miles away and captured the iconic pale blue dot. Earth appeared as a single pixel, a fragile, lonely speck in the vastness of space. This image, championed by Carl Sagan, became a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos. It showed that all of human history unfolded on that tiny mote of dust. The pale blue dot calls us to cherish and protect our only home. Voyager's final portrait was a poetic act, turning data into meaning. Its legacy is a powerful call for humility and compassion. After its planetary encounters, Voyager 1 pressed onward, aiming for interstellar space. To get there, it had to cross the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's influence ends and the galaxy begins. Scientists watched for years as Voyager traveled through the turbulent heliosheath. On August 25, 2012, the data changed. Solar particles dropped, cosmic rays surged, and the magnetic field shifted. Voyager 1 had become humanity's first interstellar traveler. Now it samples the particles and fields of the galaxy itself, sending back data from a place we'd only dreamed of reaching. This milestone expanded our presence beyond the solar system. Voyager 1 is our scout in the cosmic wilderness. Its journey is pure discovery, exploring the unknown. We are no longer confined to our solar neighborhood. In 2025, Voyager 1 revealed a new cosmic phenomenon, the Wall of Fire. As it crossed the heliopause, its instruments detected a region of superheated plasma, up to 50,000 Kelvin, where the solar wind collides with the interstellar medium. This shockwave, theorized but never measured, marks the true edge of our solar system. Voyager's survival through this extreme environment is a testament to its engineering. The Wall of Fire proves space is dynamic and violent, not empty. Voyager 1's data is rewriting our understanding of the sun's protective bubble. This discovery could only be made by going there. Decades in space have tested Voyager 1 and its team. In 2023, a failed memory chip silenced the probe, but engineers devised a remote fix, restoring communication from 15 billion miles away. They also revived dormant thrusters, ensuring Voyager could keep its antenna pointed at Earth. Each repair is a triumph of ingenuity and dedication, with commands taking nearly 2 days for a round trip. The mission's longevity is a testament to the bond between creators and creation. A dedicated team continues to watch over Voyager, overcoming time and distance. Their work keeps this legendary explorer alive. Voyager's resilience inspires us all. Its journey continues thanks to human creativity. A Voyager 1 carries a unique gift, the Golden Record. This gold-plated disc is a time capsule filled with images, music, and greetings from Earth. It's a portrait of humanity, our sights, sounds, and hopes, intended for any intelligent life that might find it. The record includes 115 images, greetings in 55 languages, and music from Bach to Chuck Berry. It's a symphony of our planet's voice, a gesture of hope and friendship. The Golden Record is designed to last 1 billion years, drifting through the galaxy long after we're gone. It transforms Voyager from a machine into a messenger of peace. This artifact is our legacy, a whisper of our existence to the cosmos. Voyager 1 carries our story into eternity. As of July 2025, Voyager 1 is over 15 billion miles from home, the farthest human-made object ever. Launched in 1977, It has traveled farther than anyone could have dreamed, venturing into the unknown and carrying with it the hopes and questions of generations. Voyager 1 now sails through the vast emptiness between the stars, a tiny messenger from Earth on a journey with no return. Its power is fading, but its mission endures, sending data from unexplored space. Even as its instruments grow silent one by one, Voyager continues to push the boundaries of human achievement, relaying precious information from a realm no other spacecraft has reached. Voyager revolutionized our understanding of the outer solar system, revealing active volcanoes on Io, mysterious subsurface oceans on Europa, and the dynamic atmospheres of giant planets. Its close encounters with Jupiter and Saturn unveiled worlds more complex and beautiful than we ever imagined. It showed us the intricate beauty of planetary rings, capturing images that changed how we see our cosmic neighbors and deepened our sense of wonder. Its discoveries inspired future missions and expanded our cosmic neighborhood. The legacy of Voyager lives on in every probe that follows, in every mission that dares to reach farther, and in every scientist and engineer who dreams of exploring the unknown. The pale blue dot and golden record have become icons of our shared humanity and hope. These artifacts remind us that, from the edge of the solar system, Earth is just a tiny speck, a fragile home united by curiosity and imagination. The golden record carries greetings, music, and images, a time capsule for any who might one day find it. Voyager's longevity and the team's ingenuity have captured the world's imagination. Generations have watched its progress, inspired by the dedication and creativity that made such a mission possible. More than a spacecraft, Voyager is a story of exploration that belongs to everyone. Its journey connects people across continents and cultures, reminding us that the quest to understand the universe is a shared human adventure. Its journey is a testament to curiosity and the human spirit. Voyager proves that, with vision and perseverance, we can reach beyond the limits of our world and touch the stars. Long after it falls silent, Voyager will drift through the galaxy, a permanent marker of our existence. It will carry our story into the cosmos, a silent witness to the fact that we were here and that we dared to explore. For a brief moment, we reached for the stars and learned more about the universe and ourselves than we ever imagined. Voyager's legacy endures, inspiring us to keep asking questions, to keep exploring, and to never stop reaching for the unknown.